I contacted YouTube, and guess what?
What?
Okay, so you know Josh from the YouTube team? Yeah, well he said because he likes our videos so much and we hit 30 subscribers, he's gonna send us a cardboard play button. Oh my god, that's actually him.
Okay,
Okay, 1 sec. We'll see when we're opening it.
okay.
Here it is.
We got our play button.
Woo!
Wait! The camera, they can't even see it. I don't know why it came in such a freaking large box, but who cares? We got a note first. Cool. The letter actually has, for the envelope, it has a YouTube logo on the envelope.
Nice.
It's cool.
Pretty cool.
Anyway, do you want me to read it or you?
I can read it.
Here's the letter.
As you can see. Dear the Macanati channel, congratulations on getting 30 people to subscribe to you. For beginner YouTubers, this is a great start for your journey ahead. This may be a small number, but what really matters is you have made 30 people watch and enjoy your videos. I'm not joking, you can rewind, that's what it says. And as you make more and more videos, the quality and people who subscribe to your channel will grow. And sooner than you think, you're going to have thousands, maybe millions of subscribers, all watching and enjoying your content. We know you two will keep making more videos throughout the upcoming years. This is why we hope you accept our congratulations. We hope you accept with our congratulations this paperboard play button. Stay awesome and keep up the great work. Sincerely, Josh K. Miller. Woohoo! Did that land in the box?
Yes. Here it is.
He racked like a drunken 5-year-old.
Okay, let's back it up a little so they can see what's happening. Can you tilt it down to the floor? Okay. There. Sorry about the clicky tripod. Hold on. Click, click, click.
Okay, ready? Ow! This is hard in my hand. Okay.
Hold on. Hold on. Oh. Here it is.
Oh! Whoa!
Hold on, let's get a good view of it. There it is. Ignore the TV in the background. And it says at the bottom, Congratulations, the Macanati channel, for surpassing 30 subscribers.
Woo! We did it, guys.
Yes.
Don't see GOM
Now-
having one of these, does he?
Nope. Now, if we can hit 50,
Then we also talked to Josh again, and he said he might send us a normal cardboard one, which is a step up from paperboard.
and if we hit 100,
Wood.
nowhere close to normal
Silver.
play button.
But this is
But still.
this is a step.
This is the step, like it said in the note. This may be a small number, but what really matters is that you've made 30 people watch and enjoy your videos.
Ha ha! It's beautiful.
Mwah.
I can't believe we actually got it.
Now let's go pick a spot to hang it.
I thought he was joking when he said he would send this.
I thought he was joking too. We emailed him at YouTube, and I thought he was joking. He was gonna send us a play button, but it came in the mail. That is so cool.
Looks legit. Well, it is legit. Well, it's somewhat legit. It's not really legit, but it's somewhat legit.
Not a real like silver play button, but it's still by YouTube, and they gave it to us.
It means a lot to us.
Yes.
Right here.
Now, we want to thank you so much
For 30 subscribers.
subscribers. Yes.
This is reminiscent of another video.
Okay.
Comment in the comments what this video reminds you of.
Now,
The ending.
are you thinking of what I'm thinking?
Rave!
Oh yeah!
Thanks for helping us surpass 30 subscribers.
This is really cool, and I bet GLM doesn't have this.
Yeah, screw you, GOM. No, but Rave is an okay YouTuber, you know? He hit 40 subs, but it's only because his channel's clickbait. So, yeah. That's him versus us.
And if you don't believe us, here's an up close and personal look at our play button. There it says, congratulations.
It's real.
Here's the note.
We already showed it.
Sincerely, Josh K. Miller. Just because I don't know all the
Y'all don't believe us, though. A whole 2-liter Mountain Dew.
So anyway, thank you very much. Now, Mac,
Yes.
what were we talking about that giveaway?
Oh, you're right.
Bring it up.
Giveaway. All right, we're giving away.
Wait, we need to tell them when. We're giving away. And
Two. Luckiest person who comments on this video. So, is it gonna be you? Because it's gonna happen in 2 days. You must comment the code word we left you in this video. Goodbye.